Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Airtable for SaaS product launch planning. First things first, let's get Airtable set up. Now it's crucial to structure your Airtable correctly from the beginning. Start by creating a base and name it something like Product Launch 2025. The reason we do this is to keep everything related to your launch in one organized place. Next up, you'll need to create some tables. Consider tables for roadmap, tasks, and team. Now, why do we need these? Well, the roadmap table will give you a high-level view of your launch plan. Tasks will break down the work into digestible chunks, and team will help track who is responsible for what. Now that we've done that, let's add fields. For the tasks table, you might have fields like task name, status, and due date. Each table will need different fields, so be sure to think about what information you need to track. This helps us because it allows us to see all the task details at a glance. Let's move on to the roadmap table. Here we want to see the big picture, so we'll need fields like milestone, start date, and end date. The reason we do this is to keep track of the major steps in our launch and when they need to happen. Finally, we have the team table. Add fields like name, role, and tasks assigned. This helps us because it ensures that everyone knows their responsibilities and can see what others are working on. Just a quick tip before we wrap up, remember to make use of Airtable's Views feature. For example, you can create a calendar view of your tasks table to get a visual timeline of your launch. And there you have it. You're on your way to mastering Airtable for SaaS product launch planning. Remember, the key is to stay organized and keep your tables and fields updated. Thanks for tuning in, and happy planning.